Welcome back to our channel. Hello everyone. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make the taskbar smaller in Windows 11 or 10. Let's hop into the steps. First, click on the search bar below and search for Registry Editor. Then open it. Now open this folder. Then click on Software. Now look for the Microsoft folder and then open it. After that, navigate to the Windows folder and open it. Under the Windows, click Current Version and then click Explorer. Now open the Advanced folder. When you're in the Advanced folder, go to the right side and right-click on it and choose New and click on the D-word 32-bit value. Now rename it to Taskbar C and open that. Now for the value data, you can choose to enter 0 value for a smaller size, 1 value for a medium size, and 2 value for a bigger one. After doing all of that, go ahead and restart your computer and see the changes of your taskbar size. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.